The dogs. Hey, Duke. Oh, yeah. Hey, Duke. Come on, boys. Hey, big dogs. Big dogs. There's the Jersey. There's the Jersey. The boys need more food. Ooh, because they are empty. You are empty. That's the Jersey. Where are you going? Dun, 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 dun. To the Duke. Where are you going? You want to go out? Should we go out? The boys are going out. Dun, 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 dun. We have reflections in the mirror. Okay. Oh, dirty screen. Hi, T.
Hey, Daddy.
I already like the colors on this. I can tell just by looking at the screen how good the colors are. So I'll be excited to get it ran over to the computer. You guys better get going.
We are going.
Chop, chop.
We're practically there. We're going so fast.
Say bye.
We'll be going so fast.
Wait till I hit your dad.
Bye.
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 They can stop.
Number 4. Okay,
Hey, Dad. You wanted us to learn how to work these things. So here I am, learning how to work it. And I think I'm working it pretty well. Don't you? Well, now on to my first picture. Ta-ta! Wow, you were right, Dad. The color on this thing's amazing. Oh, look, my feet. Ooh, let's zoom in. Hi, feet. Ooh, hi, toe. Wow, this zoom is like... Wow. Hey, puppy. Hey. That's Dookie. Duke, look at the camera. Hi. Jersey, camera. Hi. You know, I was looking at some pictures today. And it is amazing how much Duke and Jersey look exactly like. Here, let me find the picture. Look. There's Jers. And there, can you believe it? Exactly alike. Duke. It's amazing. I love this camera. It's so tiny and so nice. And I hope I'm not making people dizzy while they're watching this. Oh, and don't worry. I haven't dropped it at all. Back to Gilmore Girls. Ta-ta! He loves it. Oh.
Over 20 million returns were compared with TurboTax last year alone.
well, if it's so good, then how much are we getting done?
Look, look, look. He loves it, and ain't he adorable?
Tax is made easy. Tax is done right.
See ya.
I wonder if you should take, go down actually like a week earlier if it's possible.
You do go down a week earlier before classes start. But that's not necessarily what... Stop. That's not necessarily... Nothing. But it's so stupid that it's taken them 6 months to decide. Mr. Segrada had seen me. It's just, it's so stupid that...
Good grades, retro high school.
Like maybe if it was a month ago...
last year that we had to go to?
Maybe if it was like a month ago, okay,